Today's topic is behavior of light, means sun rays at the interface of two media. Behavior of radiation at the interface of two media. When sunlight falls on the interface of the two media, this is the interface of two media. Sunlight falls on this one, incident light. Suppose this is Q. At the point of incidence, this point is divided into three parts. First one is, suppose Q or some part is moves to the second medium, Q transmitted QT, and rest is absorbed QA. It is reflected, it is transmitted. When sunlight falls at the interface, it is divided into three parts. Here is medium 1, first it is medium 2nd. This one is interface. Total incident light is Q, it is divided into three parts. Some part is QR, is reflected in the same medium. QT is transmitted and rest QA is absorbed. Means the total energy Q is QR plus QT plus QA. Number first. Say for example, a glass plate is placed in sunshine, sunlight falls on it, then some part of the sunlight is reflected, so it shines from the side, and some is transmitted and it becomes hot, so some part is absorbed. If we divide dissipation by Q, then it becomes 1 is QR upon Q plus QT upon Q plus QA upon Q. Suppose QR upon Q is R, QT upon Q is A, and QA upon Q is A. Then 1 becomes R plus T plus A. That's number second. There may be three cases. Number first case first. If T is equals to A is equals to 0, then the value R will be 1. But R is for QR upon Q, that will be 1. It implies that QR is equals to Q. It means total incident energy, that's Q. It is completely reflected, and this body is known as perfect reflector. Total incident energy is reflected. Then this body is known as perfect reflector. The bouncing of this energy in the same medium is known as reflection. Bouncing of this energy in the same medium is known as reflection. Here, reflection of light. Second case is if R is equals to A is equals to 0, then T will be 1, means QT upon Q, that will be 1. It implies that QT is equals to Q, means total incident energy is transmitted, and this body is known as perfect transmitter. If total incident energy, here light, is transmitted, then this body is known as perfect transmitter. And case third, if R is equals to T is equals to 0, then A is equals to 1, means Q A upon Q, that's 1, implies that Q is total incident energy is absorbed, then this body is known as perfect absorber or black body. A highly polished and smooth surface. A smooth surface which is capable of reflecting a good amount of incident light is known as mirror. Good amount of incident light is known as mirror. There are two types. Number one is plane mirror and second is spherical mirror. Now some terms related to reflection. First of all, the definition of reflection. When light falls on the smooth surface, suppose for example this one is mirror. Some part of this incident light mounts back in the same medium. This phenomenon is known as a reflection of light. Incident light is known as a reflected light. When light falls on mirror or any surface, some part of this incident light bounced back in the same medium. This phenomenon is known as reflection of light. Okay, now this one is mirror. This point is A, this point is O. Some part is reflected in the same medium. It is known as incident ray, known as reflected ray. Is a point of incidence. Here is normal. The point of incidence. This angle is known as angle of incidence. This is known as angle of reflection. This angle is known as angle of glance angle of incidence. This angle is known as glance angle of reflection. Now, first of all, incident ray. Light ray which falls on the mirror or surface is known as incident ray. The ray which falls on the mirror is known as incident ray. denoted by AO. Second is the reflected ray. The ray which bounces after striking the surface or mirror is known as reflected ray. The ray moves in the same medium after striking the surface is known as reflected ray. Noted by O. B. Normal. Third point is perpendicular to the surface, reflecting surface drawn at the point of incidence is known as normal. Perpendicular, a normal perpendicular drawn at the surface at point of incidence is known as normal. Here is noted by O. And incidence, angle of incidence. Angle between normal and the incident ray is known as angle of incidence. Angle between normal and incident ray is known as angle of incidence. Noted by I. Angle of reflection means angle between normal and the reflected ray is known as angle of reflection. Angle between normal and reflected ray is known as angle of reflection, denoted by R. Angle R is the angle I. 6. Glance angle of incidence. If the angle between the reflecting surface and the incident ray, it is the angle between reflecting surface and the incident ray. The glance angle of reflection. It is the angle between the reflecting surface and the reflecting surface and reflected ray. Glance angle of incidence is equal to glance angle of reflection.